Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. So, sorry with my dog. She wanted to get out the cage, but she can't. And I have on the same clothes as Vlogmas Day 9 because it's the same day, and I had to catch up because I am a day behind. But today we're doing a cook with me, as you could tell by the title, and I'm going to be cooking some chicken tenders and rice. Some recipe I saw on Pinterest. It's so loud in here. I will put the link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Now I put my bun back on, like my hairnet, because I'm a chef. And now we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna insert a picture right here what I'm making. So I have the noodles cooking. I boiled the chicken first.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Better not. Dang it, the show went in there.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it.
Why can't I pause the video? Pepper. I'll be back when I finish making the powder. So I have the eggs. And I have the flour, salt, pepper. I think put Parmesan cheese in it. The last ingredient. Look at the bananas. The last ingredient was Parmesan cheese. Oh well. Oh, this is making my nose itchy. That stink. I don't think that's no good. What the heck? Why was that in there? That stinks. That smells so bad. Gotta throw all this away now. That, Why it look like that? Okay. Oh, this is upside down. We got some vegan Parmesan cheese. Oh, let me get my life. This one isn't expired, so we're gonna use the old vegan, the old Parmesan cheese. Okay, I'm back. My phone had died. I don't know if I said it, but we got some vegan Parmesan that's not expired, and I added in and I mixed it. So now from the video, it says to put my chicken. But actually, they had like one of these. What's this called? This. Oh, there it goes. She had raw chicken, so I don't know if this is gonna work because I baked it already. Just put in the eggs. I just had a hot wing, now I got heartburn. Then I'm gonna put it in the flour mixture. And mix it. I would show you, but I don't have nowhere to put the camera. Hey, look. Now I got breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna put them on top. This is probably not right, but Puff, if you don't be quiet. You just had 2 bowls of food. While that cooks, I'm gonna clean up my mess because it is starting here. Shh, don't tell nobody. How am I gonna press it? Fingers. So, chicken. Well, I got this, was cooking this before Mommy brought chicken. That looks pathetic.
A mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a...
Basically done. Now I just gotta put the chicken with the noodles. Oh, let's see what the video says. This is the last step to get oil and garlic and put the noodles in it, and then put the chicken on top. I guess you let this boil a little so the garlic flavor can come out, and then put the noodles. So I need to get the noodles out of there. I know you're supposed to drain it, but don't come at me. Sizzling. This is how it turned out. It don't look that bad, but in the next clip, you will see what truly happened. Just know that it was a mess. So, I thought that video was going to be the end, but Kalina's going to taste one. I gotta taste the noodle too. You gotta taste the chicken. You got Parmesan cheese. And then
Girl,
noodles.
where you see the Parmesan cheese? Girl,
You can put some on it. A little sprinkle. Yeah, I like how I'm using vegan cheese, but using chicken. Why your face like that? My chicken about to be good.
Eyebrows. Come on. That's what I get for cutting my eyebrows. I cut my eyebrows today. I want to cut the ends off. They're not even.
Throw your back.
I can't.
It's because I boiled it and then fried it.
I had to get a whole knife.
It's tender. Nice and tender.
Girl, no, this is tough.
Tender.
Tough.
Tender.
Tough. Girl, what's still boiling water for?
Huh?
You're still boiling water for? Oh,
The
girl.
water's just hot.
Stringy.
It's because I boiled it first. For too long, I think.
The smell is unbelievable.
It's garlic. Swallow it. Swallow it, little baby. It's nasty. It's nasty.
That's good.
Taste the noodle.
Girl,
Taste the noodle.
girl, no, I don't know what you did wrong with chicken.
It's good.
Girl, what's some more oil in her? You got a lot of oil. Don't say the oil. Ain't gonna got no salt.
She's spinning around.
Girl, that's a lot of pep. That's a lot of oil up in there, girl.
It's nasty.
Got no seasoning. Anyways, let's try the noodles.
Y'all gonna eat this though. Ain't no food going to waste.
Girl. What?
What's wrong with it? It tastes good.
Girl, this thing is hard. This is really soft.
I thought it.
Girl.
I thought they were done. They felt soft. I just ruined the noodles.
Girl, it's hard. It's supposed to be soft.
Scale of 1 to 10.
A 3. Girl, like the chicken tastes like oil. There's no flavor up in there, and then the noodles is hard. So 3 out of 10.
I'm gonna taste the chicken.
What are you doing, Jay?
First, the noodle is not hard.
Yes, it is. Noodles are supposed to be soft. This thing is not soft.
I didn't want to overcook them. I like my noodles like that.
Girl, we still have to eat too.
Y'all can put them in the microwave. That'll make them soft. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Bye, guys.